Originating in West Africa, watermelons are a hydrating summer fruit, made up of 92% water and packed with nutrients in both their pulp and skin. Part of the Cucurbitaceae family, which includes pumpkins, cucumbers, and squash, watermelons are a diverse species. While the red-fleshed variety is most common, yellow watermelons also exist, thriving in hot, humid climates and yielding best in May and June. 1 cup of yellow watermelon can serve as a delicious source of several B vitamins, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamins A and C. So, including yellow watermelons in your diet can help you enjoy an array of health benefits like the following. 1. Boosts eye health. The high vitamin A and carotenoid content of yellow watermelon makes it great for eye health, decreasing the risk of various eye diseases. Consuming this fruit regularly also keeps you supplied with vitamin C, an important nutrient for slowing down the occurrence of cataracts. 2. Promotes healthy digestion. Eating yellow watermelon cools the stomach thanks to its high water content. Not just that, the fruit also provides the fiber required to maintain healthy digestion and prevent ulcers of the gastrointestinal tract. 3. Weight management. Yellow watermelon contains compounds that can help suppress the growth of fat-storing adipose cells. Its high water and fiber content also keeps you feeling full with fewer calories, making it an excellent choice for weight management. 4. Enhances immune function. Vitamin B6 in yellow watermelon boosts antibody production, helping the body fight disease-causing microbes and improving protein absorption. Additionally, yellow watermelon is rich in vitamin C, which protects against harmful free radicals and infections. 5. Improves heart health. The white part of the flesh of the yellow watermelon, as well as its green skin, is rich in citrulline, an amino acid. Regular intake of citrulline maintains blood pressure levels and improves circulation, contributing toward good heart health. 6. Kidney function. Yellow watermelon keeps you hydrated by meeting up to 30% of your fluid requirements, preventing the likelihood of kidney stones. It also contains potassium, a key mineral required for maintaining healthy kidneys. 7. Helps prevent cancer. Carotenoids, the pigments responsible for the yellow watermelon's color, are also powerful cancer-fighting compounds. Studies indicate that consuming green and yellow fruits and vegetables, like yellow watermelon, may reduce cancer risk. These natural carotenoids may even act as effective cancer preventive agents. 8. Relieves muscle soreness and fatigue. The presence of citrulline in yellow watermelon is what makes it a great go-to food for relief from muscle soreness. Citrulline aids in better blood circulation, which is necessary for relieving post-exercise muscle fatigue. This is why watermelon juice is considered an ideal health drink for athletes. Yellow watermelon adds great nutrition to fruit salads and smoothies, but excessive consumption can be harmful. Over-reliance on weight loss may cause nutrient deficiencies and muscle loss. High potassium and sugar levels in the fruit can also lead to irregular heartbeat and are risky for diabetics. Enjoy yellow watermelon in moderation with other nutritious foods for a balanced diet.